Hello everyone, here I am Jyoti Katre, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department at Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, aggregated with NAC by A+ grade. I welcome you to all in our today's video in which I am going to take a new topic, that is Kaplan turbine and their construction details and working principle. So let's start. What is Kaplan turbine? Kaplan turbine is an axial reaction flow turbine and has adjustable blades. As we know, here in the axial reaction flow turbine consists of two types. First is impeller, in which the blades are fixed, and another is Kaplan turbine, in which the blades are adjustable. Okay. When the water flows parallel to the axis of rotation of the shaft, the turbine is known as axial flow turbine. And if the head of the inlet of the turbine is the sum of pressure energy and kinetic energy during the flow of water through a runner, a part of pressure energy is converted into kinetic energy. The turbine is known as reaction turbines. That means the Kaplan turbine is the mixture of axial flow reaction turbine. Okay. Kaplan type hydraulic turbine, in which the position of the runner blades and the wicket gates are adjustable for load change with sustained efficiency. It is the purely axial flow turbine and a vertical shaft deposition, which was designed and developed by an Australian engineer, Victor Kaplan. Kaplan turbine has adjustable runner blades which less number of blades, that is 3 to 8 blades. Okay. Kaplan turbines are now widely used throughout the world in high flow, low head power production. There are some main parts of Kaplan turbine. They are scroll casing, guide vane mechanism, hub with vane or runner of the turbine, and draft tube. These are all the main parts of Kaplan turbine. Now see the constructional details of a Kaplan turbine. In this diagram we can see the diagram of runner and front view and the top view of Kaplan turbine. Here we can see which consists of shaft, runner vanes, guide vanes, draft tube, tail race. Okay. And in top view we can see these guide vanes, runner vanes, water inlet from, this is a inlet. Okay. Scroll casing means it is a casing in which we pass the water. See, here is the scroll casing in which we pass the water to the runner in the turbine. When the water comes from penstock, it comes to the scroll casing. Okay. Now then, see, here is the guide vanes. We can see here. Okay. It is the blade in which guide the water and control the water passage. The guide vanes are working as a guide to the water. Okay. Now then, there is a draft tube. We can see here is a draft tube. After passing through the runner, the water is discharged to the tail race through the gradually expanding tube, means our draft tube. Okay. Then there is a runner vanes. We can see here the runner vanes. It is an important part of the turbine which is connected to the shaft of the generator and consists movable vanes and hub or boss. Okay. Now see, here is the hub. We can see here is the hub. We can also call it boss. Okay. It is the part of the runner in which blades are mounted. Okay. Now these all are the main parts of our Kaplan turbine. Okay. And there is a runner part which is mounted on shaft. These are the vanes and this is a hub. Okay. Now see the working of Kaplan turbine. As we know, the Kaplan turbine is an invert flow reaction turbine, which means that the working fluid changes pressure as it moves through the turbine and gives up its energy. Okay, the design combines radial and axial features. Okay, and now see the working of Kaplan turbine. We are studying working of Kaplan turbine. Okay, the water is entered into the spiral casing of the turbine. The turbine shaft connected with runner blades, we can see here. Okay, runner blades are connected to the shaft. Okay, now the water comes to the guide vanes. Guide vanes is like controlling the flow of water. Okay, now if it is opens, the water strikes the runner blades, the runner start rotating due to this turbine shaft also rotates. Okay, when the runner starts to rotate, the shaft is also going to rotate. Okay, the turbine shaft is connected to the generator for electric generation, and then the water which is used for rotating the runner blades, now we come to draft tube. Okay, we know the draft tube, the working of draft tube. Okay, and from draft tube the water goes to the trail race and to the river. Okay, now there are some working principles of Kaplan turbine. First is Kaplan turbine is an axial flow reaction turbine. So the working fluid changes the pressure as it moves across the turbine and gives energy. And second is power recapitulates from both the hydrostatics head and kinetic energy of the following water. And then from the penstock the water is coming to the enter, as I already told you, coming to the enter into the casing. Here flow pressure is not lost because the shape of casing is designed in such a way that it does not lose the flow. Okay, from the casing the water is entering into the guide vanes. Then here rotor is attached so that water comes with much pressure and hence it rotates the runner. Okay, then from the runner the water enters into draft tube. Here pressure and kinetic energy decreases. The remaining kinetic energy gets converted into pressure energy and hence increases the pressure of water. Then further rotation of the turbine is used to rotate the shaft of a generator and further used for the generation of production of electricity. Okay, thank you.